Press on the navigation widget to display the home page. Press on Search to enter an address or name. Press this touch to display 3D or 2D mode. Press repeatedly on this touch and select Unmuted. Alerts only. Muted. Press on the touches plus or minus to zoom in or zoom out, or use 2 fingers on the screen. Press this touch to display the main menu. Select Search to enter an address, a name, or certain points of interest. To use GPS coordinates, press this touch to enter latitude and longitude values. Press this touch to start navigation. Select Drive Home by an address previously recorded in Add Home. Select Go to Work by an address previously registered in Add Work. Select Recent Destinations to display the last destinations searched for. Select My Places for rapid access to the locations recorded, as well as favorite destinations. Select My Routes to view preferred itineraries. Press this button to display the various parking options in the area. Press this button to display the different service stations on the current itinerary or nearby. Select Settings to enter vehicle type, to customize the display, voice instructions, map options, route plans, sounds and alerts, and system information. Select this touch to display details about software versions and legal information.